Welcome back, guys. In this video I will show you how you can add Gmail to Microsoft Outlook. So first, go to Outlook on your desktop. You can search it and then wait for the accounts to load up. And then from your emails added, you can choose the one you will be using, or the Gmail that you will be using, and then just sign in, and then just input your password for the Google or for the Gmail, and then click sign in. And then if you have a two-step verification, just follow all the instructions. You can allow the sign in through another device or through email. So once you've already finished verifying this activity or your account, just scroll down and click allow, and then it will finally sign in through Outlook using your Gmail account. And then just click your final Gmail account in Outlook, and you will be directed to the Outlook app with your Gmail in it. And that's how simple it is, guys. That's how you add your Gmail to Microsoft Outlook. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel.